Nutella, then today I butter, then today we're gonna make big fluffy slime. Now what to do in this test, I always have my big butter here. First we're gonna start with the drills. And Braiden's using blue glue, and I'm using white glue. Now we're going to put in some baking soda.
Okay, it's Mia's turn.
This one's double 2 scoops. Now I'm going to add Marito for Braiden because you're the oldest kid. Now let's add our food coloring. Can I go first?
Sure you can.
Can you help me, please?
Okay. I picked green, dark green, and she picked
Pink. I picked pink. Now is this throwing dice?
That's probably good.
Now we're gonna add the salmon pink.
Okay, let's get started.
Now we got it all stirred up. Now let's add the beater. Can you help me, please? We have to stir it.
Aha!
Can I go first? Now we got it all stirred up. Now let's move it to its tray. Now we got our fluffy slimes on our trays. Now let's add the glitter.
I chose red and gold.
I chose blue and pink. It matches my own glass. Now let's mix it up with my hands. Now we got all this together. Now let's play with it and dress it. Braiden.
You had it up there first. Okay, let's both have it up at the same time. Now let's go.
Mine is more faster, Braiden.
Plop.
Oh, I always win. Let's have another one.